10 types wounds. Number one, cut. Incisions are generally caused by contact with a sharp object against the body surface. As a result, the skin tissue or the layer underneath is cut off with varying depths. The edges of the wound are regular in sharp. Tearing wounds generally occur due to hard impacts with a broad object on the body surface. Number 2, bruises. Bruises are discolored are of the skin that occur as a result of the report of small blood vessels under the skin. The following is an explanation of the symptoms of a bruise based on the cause. Number 1, injury during sport. 2, von Willebrand's disease. 3, sprained ankle. 4, leukemia. Number 3, abrasion. Coughing is one that can cause sores, such as wearing clothes that are too tight or loose, using fabrics that don't get rid of moisture, thick sores or hairs, excessive sweating, low distance running, or cleaning or hot water. Number 4, dog bite wounds. A dog bite wound is a wound caused by a dog bite. As with most types of animal bites, dog bite can usually be treated with simple home first aid to prevent the dog from spreading viruses and bacteria. Because basis animals' live contains millions of bacteria that can cause infection. Number 5, snake bite wounds. The first step that must be done after being bitten by a snake is to identify the snakes and immediately seek help to the hospital. On the way, lie down and make sure the bite wound is lower than the heart. The goal so that poisons or snakes venom does on spread rapidly throughout the body. Number 6, amputation volus wounds. Amputation in the loss of a body part, such as a finger, arm, or a leg, as a result of an injury or occurs in a planet manager talks surgical procedure of example to prevent the spread of infection. Cause of amputation. Number 1, injury, traumatic amputation. Amputation due to injury in accidental trauma. And amputation due to one blow. An attack from wildcats. Number 2, surgical amputation. Brachial artery disease and diabetes and soft tissue infection. Number 7, Vulnus performatum sores. Vulnus performatum due to sharp weapons such as arrows or spears. Vulnus performatum due to an infestation process that has impacted so that it passes. Third, the cells membrane or epithelium of tissue. Number one, sharp cause because number one sharp whips. With the spread infection process. And number 8, and bruises. Bruises are damage to the skin layer caused by hot objects, including fire, hot water, and hot steam. Damage to the skin due to burn make the surface prone to infection. Because the skin is the body's initial different layer to fight infection. Number 9. Diabetes wounds. Diabetes mellitus has many names such as diabetes and diabetes. However, Indonesia people also know the term diabetes and with diabetes. The cause of diabetes wounds on the field is due to a combination of factors such as poor blood circulation, irritation, and trauma. Number 10, infected suture wounds. Surgical wounds infection is an infection that appears on surgical incision. Surgical wound infection is generally caused by bacterial. Surgical wounds can be infected by these bacterial through various forms of internation, included number 1, the interaction between the surgical wounds and the germs on the skin. Number 2, interaction with airborne germs. Number 3, interaction with germs that are already in the body or the operated organs. Number 4, interaction with the hands of doctor and nurse. Number 5, interaction with organ instruments. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum.